Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Today I'm at the Anlin booth at the International Builder Show in Las Vegas 2024. I'm here with a good friend of mine. This is Mike.
Hi,
Mike
Jeff.
McCoy.
Good to see you again.
Thank you for taking a minute out of your busy day to talk to me.
Not a problem.
Tell me what this means, 1990.
1990 was the year Anlin was founded by Tom Vidmore and his two sons, Greg and Eric, and myself. I was one of the first 5 employees also.
You must have been what, just in junior high at that time?
Oh, I was a little older than that, but yeah, young enough.
So you are in charge of what at Anlin?
Operations at Anlin.
Okay.
Yes.
So you oversee, somebody has a design and you're going to make that design work well. You're going to get it out the door.
That is correct.
100% of the time.
Fastest and the highest quality we possibly can.
Okay, excellent. So at this booth today, we're going to show our viewers a few things that are kind of new, kind of exciting that maybe you don't know about Anlin yet. Now, if you have not watched any of my Anlin videos, I'm going to put a link up here to my Anlin overview. I call it the best vinyl window I've ever seen. And some more down in the description I think you're going to want to go see. But today, Mike's going to talk to us about some of the things that we haven't covered yet. Yep. First of all, we have not covered this door. I've never done a video on this door. Tell me about this door.
This is our Malibu swing door. It's available in various configurations. This happens to be an XX.
Which means a French door, they both open,
That
right?
is correct.
Okay.
We have one active panel. You can switch active panels left to right, and you have the inactive panel.
Okay. So this would be the secondary panel
That
or
is
the
correct.
passive panel?
That is correct.
All right, and then how do you lock this? How do you engage
Basically, it's an easy operation.
Okay.
There's a stainless steel chute bolt that shoots up in the head of the door and to the sill of the door. And to lock it, you just pull up on the handle, and then this turn knob would lock that handle out. So
okay, so you've done this side.
Yep.
And then all I do is bring this side.
That's correct. And the same operation to lift up.
I lift this up.
And there's 3 tongue strikes.
Did you see that? How that pulled it in?
Exactly does, nice and tight. So there's a tongue strike here, there's the mortise at the center, and another tongue strike at the lower
I'm going to show off the tongue strike. Hey, Clay, come in here. Look at this. Watch this up here, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and lock that.
Yep.
See that? Look. That's called a tongue strike. It looks like a
tongue.
tongue.
Correct.
It looks like a lizard's tongue.
Yeah. And it has the safety feature that unless this is in the closed position, you can't throw the tongue strike, so nobody can close the door with these in the out
and scratch up your nice, beautiful door.
Correct.
Okay, so this door looks to me like beautiful wood with a nice, beautiful paint finish, but I know it's not.
No, this is solid vinyl.
Yeah.
It's available in white, tan, and adobe to the interior.
Okay.
And we have 12 exterior colors we can coat that product with to the homeowner's need.
Tell me about that hinge. That looks really nice.
Those are our adjustable Hoppy hinges. All of the hardware on this door is Hoppy.
Hoppy's the brand?
It is the brand. All of it comes in nickel, rustic umber, black, and then it could be also color matched to the vinyl, white, tan, and adobe.
Okay, gotcha. What about glass options? I see this is
multiple glass
double
options.
pane, right?
Yeah, double pane glass.
Is this 7/8?
7/8 overall. Comes standard tempered, obviously, for safety in any of our door products. And there's multiple low emissivity glass you can order with this door, all coming from Cardinal.
Perfect. What about Energy Star in the Southern Zone where I'm at?
It will qualify for Energy Star in the Southern Zone if equipped correctly, yes.
And that's the most efficient, right?
That is correct.
Yeah, I made a video about most efficient. You're going to want to check that out.
Yes.
So the most efficient standard, you actually hit it with this product in the Southern Zone.
In the Southern Zone.
Okay. But Energy Star across the whole country, as far as the standard Energy Star ratings,
yes,
correct?
absolutely. We meet it with all of our products, standard Energy Star, yes.
Perfect, amazing, awesome. Okay, behind Clay here, I see a beautiful black casement window. This is new for you guys.
This is new. This is our designer black. This happens to be a Coronado casement.
Okay.
This is a co-extruded product from Vision, our extruder.
Okay.
And they take an acrylic capstock and extrude it on top of a solid vinyl substrate.
Wow,
so
that
it bonds to the product 100%.
Okay, I don't see white anywhere.
No.
Sometimes you get a black window and you see white parts.
Exactly. Our goal with this product is in the closed or open position, there is no substrate color visible anywhere. And I think we've succeeded in doing that.
You did, and I tell you what I like about it is, unlike some products that I've seen where they're black on the interior, and it's a painted product, right?
That's correct.
This is not paint. I mean, I wish you guys could see this. This is just, you know what it looks like? It looks like really high dollar aluminum.
It does, and that's another one of our goals is we didn't want to see any striations in the product itself. We wanted it a uniform look across it, and I think we've done that.
Okay, so he wouldn't say this, but I'm going to tell you who this is for. If you've considered a Pella product or an Anderson product, because you've heard, oh, these are great. This stuff is amazing. In fact, I would venture to say I'd put this in my house before I would Pella. I've got Pella in my house.
Well, thank you for that. We really concentrate on the quality aspect of the product. I mean, the homeowner's spending a good amount of money to replace their windows in new construction also.
Yeah.
And we want to make sure the quality aspect is
Oh,
there.
absolutely. So this is a cardinal glass.
It is.
IG, meaning you bought the whole IG already assembled.
That is correct.
From Cardinal.
Yes.
Right. I just want you to know that's exactly what Anderson does, and that's what Pella does.
Yes.
So you're getting the same glass that they have in their units.
Absolutely.
And you're using...
Yes,
so-
Cardinal's a premier insulated glass manufacturer in the world. They build a great insulated glass unit, multiple low E's available, multiple patterns available for obscures. They do a great job.
Okay, this is a rhetorical question,
Yes.
but you put a double lifetime warranty on this, don't you?
We absolutely do.
Yeah, no one else does that. Explain that. What is a double lifetime warranty?
Double lifetime warranty is the original homeowner has a lifetime warranty, and if they decide to sell the property, the second owner would have another lifetime warranty.
So they don't get ripped off just because they
No,
moved
do
into
not.
the house.
That is correct.
And if I'm not mistaken, you guys actually include accidental glass breakage.
We
on
do
this.
on all of our Anlin branded product. If a rock hits it from the lawnmower, if the child throws a baseball through it, we're going to come out and replace that insulated glass unit for that homeowner for the life of the product.
No one beats that. And by the way, I only started selling this brand after I went online and did what you should do before you buy any brand of window. I started looking, and you guys have 4.9 stars
We do.
across the board
We do.
on all the platforms.
Yes.
And you know, some people might have a decent review on Google here and there,
Yeah.
but on Yelp, usually Yelp is hard on people.
Well, the
And you
team,
guys-
team works very hard to keep that, and we put the time and effort in to make sure we keep that rating.
Customer satisfaction is really important.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I've seen you guys treat my customers in ways that we would not have expected because it wasn't your issue, but
Yes.
you stepped up and helped us, and that means a lot to
It
me.
is about the homeowner and obviously our dealer customer. A lot of time and effort goes into this product. We want to make sure they have 100% satisfaction.
If you're a builder and you're building houses and you want a really nice product that you know that the buyer of your house is going to say, this is a great product and it's got a great warranty, dude, don't go buy that crap from you know where. I'm not going to say their names because I already get enough letters from attorneys the way it is. But buy a high quality product like this Anlin product. You're going to be happier. Your homeowner's going to be happier. You're going to sell more houses, okay? So you definitely want that. Okay, one more
Absolutely.
product.
Sure.
Behind Clay
Yes.
is a door,
Yes.
but it has a door for a dog.
It does. This is our pet door. This pet door, we give the customer a choice of placing it in any lower corner of this entire door configuration.
Okay.
And the pet door happens to come in 4 different sizes. I believe
Okay.
this is our medium door. We have a small, a large, and an extra
I
large.
saw one that's
based
almost
on it.
24 inches.
That
down
is
here.
correct.
Okay.
It's a double flap.
It's insulated, isn't it?
It is, and it has multiple magnets around to keep it closed in the closed position when it's not in use.
So if you get a little bit of a breeze, it's not going to...
That is correct. Or when you turn your AC on and the house gets pressurized,
Oh, yeah.
the dog door doesn't open.
Oh, excellent.
Mhm.
Excellent. And you said I could put it in any of these corners.
That's right. Any lower corner of the operation. That is correct.
And is this also your designer black?
It is. This is our designer black. This is our Malibu OXXO door.
Okay. All right.
Obviously, triple fin weather strip, very energy efficient. Triple fin weather strip at the astragal.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
it is a very, very airtight product.
And you know what? It operates easily.
It does.
I don't know how many pounds of force this is, but it's not much.
It's well under the maximum allowed by AMA configuration.
Okay.
We do have our Quadraglide roller standard on this
Oh,
product.
that's got 4 little wheels, right?
That is 4 wheels across each vent sash, both the
Mhm.
inactive and active.
Okay.
And they come in stainless steel as an option if you wanted to upgrade to that.
Would that be if I'm somewhere where a highly corrosive area might be?
Yes, near the ocean or something like
Okay.
that, yes.
Okay, I've got you. All
Mhm.
right. Another thing we want to look
Yeah.
at, but I'm going to do this from outside. Let's go
Sure.
over here. Where we are in Texas,
Yes.
we get a lot of demand for this right here.
lot
And
of
a lot
these.
of window companies cannot make this.
Yes.
What do you guys call this?
This is what I would call an operable single hung arch.
Okay, so the bottom opens
It does.
with an arch on the top.
That is correct.
And a lot of companies have to split this into a top and a bottom window, and you end up with a big bar across here.
Yes.
Is that right?
So what we do is we take the extrusion and
Uh-huh.
we bend it into that arch shape and then install the stay bar at whatever horizontal position you want. You
Okay.
can Oriole this vent in whatever height you
I
want.
could have it a little bit lower if I
You
wanted.
could.
Okay.
Absolutely. And we do a lot of them. Very, very popular in the Texas market.
You know what I'm looking at too is I'm usually a I'm a picky guy.
Yeah.
Your weld here on this corner is actually really nice. It's really
That
nice
is.
and clean.
Every one of those is hand done.
Yeah.
We do have a machine that cleans it previous to the hand cleaning.
Okay.
But every one of our welds is cleaned by a human hand. I want the human eyes looking at the attention to detail.
I also noticed too, unlike some of your competitors, I don't see rippling or cellulite, as I call it, across your bend, because isn't that what happens sometimes when you try to bend vinyl?
Exactly. When you bend vinyl, basically what you're doing is you're compressing the interior surface and you're stretching the exterior surface.
Sure.
The interior tends to ripple. We get that sometimes, but we take the time to reheat that product and smooth it out so those ripples disappear.
One of the things I've noticed about these guys, I've toured their facility twice, and I actually made a video about their facility. I'll put a link for it up here and down in the description. Is you are loved at your company. You walk through there, you know your employees by name.
I do.
They all say, hey, Mr. Mike, Mr.
Yes.
Mike. And you guys actually spend a lot of time building great culture.
Absolutely. Culture, if you have to care about the team, if the team cares about one another, that effort and that care is going to show on the product they touch every day. And that's really at the core of our team, our business. We started like that from day one, 30 some odd years ago. It continues today.
Here's my last question. How did you come up with the name Anlin?
Anlin was part of the Vidmar legacy. Tom Vidmar, the founder, his middle name was Antone. The firstborn in the Vidmar family took the Antone name. Tom's wife's name was Linda. And when Tom came up with a window company, he let Linda name it.
Okay.
And Linda named it Ann for Antone, and Lynn for Linda. Anlin.
Anlin. Okay. So the mystery solved.
Mystery solved.
I don't know if it was Jimmy Anlin or Tom Anlin, but
no, that was all Linda, Tom's
that's
wife.
terrific.
Yeah.
Hey, so I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for
Absolutely.
taking the time. I
Thank
appreciate
you,
that.
Jeff. Appreciate you.
If you're in the Houston area, I'd love for you to come by and check out these windows. We have samples of them in our showroom. If you're not in the area, but you're looking for a great window company near you, go to my website. I have a list there of great window companies all over the country, a lot of them that sell your product, terrific
Absolutely.
companies. It's thewindowexperts.com. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again real soon.